Hey man, big shout out to UCF, University of Central Florida, EOM, Extraordinary Movement, Black and Gold. You know, so, man, I'm here, UCF. I needed some inspiration today. So what did I do? I came back to my stomping grounds. Came back, what they call it, alma mater, something like that. I don't know. I'm an alumni. Right there, graduated. Right there, out of the arena. Here, like I said, I just came back for some inspiration and motivation today. Just to see people out here moving around. You know, just to see people out here getting educated. Young people enjoying their life. So I'm about to go see if I can maybe talk to some old teachers today. You know, maybe if I could go see my old cadre. Being a cadet in ROTC here, it's where I commissioned as a second lieutenant. Everything here, man. This is bringing back memories. Man, big shout out to UCF out here, man. Let's get to it. Hey, so on this content right here, I'm going to be giving you guys basically the step-by-step guide on starting up your freight brokerage. So I know I didn't spoke on, you know, starting the actual freight brokerage, but I'm gonna break it down to you guys in this video right here, and we're talking about step by step. So before I roll off into that content today, I'm just out right now, out and about during the day, conducting business, being able to talk to people on the phone, being able to complete transactions via phone, you know, and it's nothing like it. And I really had to have a moment with myself too to say, this is what I pretty much wanted. You know, and I'm talking about having a vision for yourself and really, truly seeing that vision come to reality. You know, and then you have to really sit back and understand when it comes to reality too, you know. So I'm just sitting back now, you know, really, you know, being very appreciative of what I got going on in this world and really understanding that I'm living my vision and there's no other feeling than it. So let's go ahead and roll off into this content. So, I mean, like I always tell you guys, it's not hard to start a freight brokerage out there. It's actually pretty easy. And you know, that's just me. That's my opinion, you know, but it's easy. The first thing that you want to do and that you need to do before you even form that LLC, in my opinion, is learning. You know, learn the business. You know, just don't come into business because you feel that you're going to make a lot of money doing it. You know, because you see other people brokering freight. You know, you see me brokering freight, or you seeing other people, you watch them on YouTube and they're brokering out freight and they're making X amount of dollars, and that's what's going to inspire you, is the money. But don't let that inspire you, you know. Let acquiring the knowledge first inspire you to like really get out there and go get it. Because I'm gonna tell you, if you don't know how to do this, brokering freight, and if you don't have the patience, it's totally different than a lot of other businesses in this world. And the only reason why I'm saying that is because I see a lot of people, and I talk to a lot of people, and they become discouraged pretty fast in this industry too, because they're not making money at that specified time, you know. So, like I say, that's the most important thing, is I recommend, I don't care if you're starting up that trucking company right now, y'all better know how to dispatch, and you better know how to broker freight. You better know how to do those two things before you even go put any money down on that semi truck or that dually truck. And I'm just speaking on that because I didn't do that. didn't really learn, you know, those critical parts before I started my trucking company. I was like everybody else. I went out, bought my truck and my trailer, and then I started to build the business. I started to, when I got my LLC, got my MC number. But day one came and I ain't really know how to get that truck moving. So I had to really figure it out on the fly, which was a good thing to me. You know, it taught me a whole lot about this business. So I had no regrets about that. But of course, I'm on YouTube right now to give you guys my experience and also to give you guys advice too. So even if you're going to go start up that trucking company, you better learn as much as you can, you know, before you go buy that truck, because the day you buy that truck is the day you accumulated a lot of overhead. So let me get some water. Be talking, that mouth get dry. So learn as much as you can. That's going to be your step one. After that, go form your LLC. And don't go, like I tell you guys, don't go to these third-party agencies and go to LegalZoom and all of those type of people. You know, you could do it yourself. Just get on the Secretary of State in your actual current state. Go to business services, and then from there, you guys can create and form your own business, and you're going to save a lot of money too. You know, hundreds of dollars is a lot of money, you know. So that's going to be your step two, is form your LLC, form it by yourself. Once you form that LLC, go to the IRS website and get your EIN number, your employment identification number, and that's free. So never let anyone out there tell you it costs $100 or $150. Just get on there and go do it yourself. After that, get on the FMCSA website and go apply for your operating authority to become a freight broker. It's gonna take you about an hour to complete the application. A lot of the application is just, it's self-explanatory. It might be a couple of questions on there, you know, you might be unfamiliar with, but for the most part, it's all self-explanatory. So that's $300. You got your operating authority. After that, you go get your $75,000 surety bond. And like I tell you guys out there, you don't have to pay $75,000 in cash. You just pay a percentage, and it's all based off your credit score. So after you are pretty much satisfied with the quote that the surety bond company, that whoever you decide to go with, once you're happy that they're with their quote, go ahead and pay them their money. They're going to put the surety bond, your surety bond information on file with the FMCSA, Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration. And then you just have to go get a BOC3. That's like $30, $25, $30. Pretty easy, just a processing agent. Once the BOC3 and the surety bond is on file with the FMCSA, you're gonna have an active freight brokerage. So that's how you're gonna start, you know, pretty much your freight brokerage. It's not hard, it's pretty simple. The hardest part is starting it, getting off that couch and starting it. Get in front of that TV, you know, stay away from that TV. Get up off that couch. So that's gonna be the hardest part, is starting it. And the hardest, and the most challenging part after the hardest part is that you have to go out and you have to get it operational. You have to get it profitable. You got to start making some money. So you got to start acquiring shippers as your customer. And that's going to be the most challenging part. But it's doable because I'm doing it. So it's not hard. You guys can do it. if you guys are watching my videos, I know you guys can do it, you know, because I'm pretty sure you watch my videos because we are like-minded in some type of way. But that's pretty much it when it comes to brokering freight and starting your freight brokerage today on this video. So just out here cruising right now, about to go link up with my business partner and finish a couple of things for our workshop, our first workshop we're having this Saturday in Orlando, Florida, March 7th through the 8th. And like I always tell you guys, man, it don't matter who's proud of you, just be proud of yourself. You know, so I'm proud of myself. Well, had a call come in. So anyway, hey, you guys got any questions, hit me up on my email, broker@managedtrans.com. Go visit my website, www.extraordinarymovement.com. Go get your 30-day free trial with DAT. Go sign up with TAFS, Trans Am Financial Services, if you guys are looking for a factoring service. CEO, commit, execute, and be obsessed. Everybody be great out there.